Marta from the library, and today I have another fun craft that I want to share with you. I'm going to show you how you can make this fun weather wheel. So stop by at the library and pick up your kit that has all of the materials that you will need to make this fun craft. So come on, let me show you how easy it is to make it. So once you pick up your kit from the library, you will find all of these fun things inside of your bag. The only thing that you will need to use from home is a ruler, a glue stick, and a pencil. So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to divide our circle in 4 parts using our ruler. So we're going to use a ruler and we're going to try to draw our lines very evenly. So we are going to draw one line. So that way our circle is divided in half. And then we are going to draw another line the other way and divide our circle into 4 parts. Just like that. So now our circle is divided into 4 parts. Our next step is we are going to use our weather words. So inside of your kit, you will find 4 weather words. And they are rainy, cloudy, snowy, and sunny. And I know for some of you friends, this part might be a little bit challenging because not all of you know how to read. But I'm going to teach you a fun song that will help you remember how to read weather words. In front of me, I have some weather words. And these are the weather words that you will glue on your weather wheel. So I'm going to teach you a fun song that you can use to help you read different weather words. So we are going to start with the word sunny. There was a day and it was sunny. Sunny was the weather. S-U-N-N-Y, 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 and sunny was the weather. There was a day and it was cloudy. Cloudy was the weather. C-L-O-U-D-Y, 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 and cloudy was the weather. There was a day and it was rainy. Rainy was the weather. R-A-I-N-Y, 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 and rainy was the weather. There was a day and it was snowy. Snowy was the weather. S-N-O-W-Y, 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 and snowy was the weather. So I hope that you can practice this song at home too to help you remember how to spell weather words and how to read weather words. So now that we sang this fun song, we can go back to our craft and we can glue our weather words in our weather wheel. We have our weather words. And now we're going to glue them inside of our circle. So I'm going to use my glue stick. And I'm going to glue the words inside of my circle. So the first word that I'm going to glue is rainy. So I'm going to glue that on top here. Rainy. And the next word that I'm going to glue on is cloudy. So I'm going to glue that on next to rainy. The next word I'm going to glue on is sunny. And my last weather word is snowy. So I'm going to put some glue on there. And I'm going to glue it next to sunny. And you can glue these weather words on your weather wheel any way that you want. It doesn't have to be the same way that I glued it on mine. Okay, so now that we have all of our weather words glued on, now we have to use our pictures and try to glue them under our weather words. And here is where our song comes. So let's figure out what is our first weather word. There was a day and it was rainy. Rainy was the weather. R-A-I-N-Y, 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 and rainy was the weather. So our first word is rainy. So we're going to find the raindrops, and we are going to glue on the raindrops under rainy. So we're going to put some glue on them, just like that. And we are just going to glue them under rainy. So there should be 3 raindrops, a big one, a medium one, and a little one. So now we have our raindrops for rainy. What is our next weather word? Let's sing the song. There was a day and it was cloudy. Cloudy was the weather. C-L-O-U-D-Y, 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 and cloudy was the weather. So from our weather pictures, let's see. Where is our cloud? We're going to use our cloud and we're going to glue it under cloudy. So we're going to put some glue on our cloud. And we are going to glue our cloud under the word cloudy. Okay, so now we have 2 more weather words. What is our next word? Let's sing it. There was a day and it was snowy. Snowy was the weather. S-N-O-W-Y, 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 and snowy was the weather. So now we are going to find our snowflakes. And we are going to glue our snowflakes under snowy. Let's put our glue on. Okay, we're going to glue 1 snowflake. Oh, my glue is purple, so it's kind of showing up on my picture, but that's okay. And now I'm going to put some glue on my second snowflake. Okay, and I am going to glue it right next to or under my second snowflake. And now I have my snowy picture. And our last word is, there was a day and it was sunny. Sunny was the weather. S-U-N-N-Y, 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 and sunny was the weather. So for our last picture, we are going to glue on our beautiful yellow sun because the weather is sunny. So I'm going to put some glue on my sun. And I am going to glue my sun under the word sunny. And just like that, I have all of my weather pictures glued on under their correct weather words. So we have one more step. Our weather wheel needs a little arrow so that way we can mark what weather is outside today. So in your kit, you should have a black arrow and a little thumbtack. So with this part, you might need a little help from an adult because we are going to use this to pinch a hole in our arrow. So we are going to pinch our little thumbtack through our arrow like that. And then we are going to use that and we are going to pinch a hole in the middle of our weather wheel. So this part, you might need a little help from an adult or a grown-up. So we're going to punch that hole in the middle. And we're going to flip it over. And we have to take the little brackets apart. And just kind of pinch them. So that way our little thumbtack stays together and doesn't fall off our weather wheel. And now we have our arrow on top of our weather wheel. And it moves around. So, a fun activity that you can do with this weather wheel is when you go outside every day, you can look and see what kind of weather it is that day. And then when you come back home, you can use the arrow and put the arrow on that type of weather. Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? Or is it sunny? Today is a beautiful day outside. So I would say today is a sunny day. So I'm going to put my arrow on sunny because it is a sunny day outside. Thanks for watching, boys and girls. And I hope that you had fun creating this fun weather wheel with me. I will see all of you soon. Bye-bye.